Hi everyone! Welcome to this week's STEM activity. My name is Miss Yulin and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do an experiment with Skittles. So today we are going to be making a fall-themed pumpkin using Skittles. So we're going to need a paper plate and we're going to place Skittles all around our paper plate and then to make a pumpkin. But then we are going to pour some water on it and you're going to see what happens to the color of Skittles when you pour warm water on it. It's really cool and I hope you guys enjoy this experiment. For this activity, you will need a cup of warm water. It's really important that your cup of water is warm because the experiment won't work unless the water is warm. Next, you will need a paper plate or a bowl if you have one. And lastly, you will need a bag of Skittles. And make sure you have enough green and orange Skittles. Begin by grabbing your bag of Skittles and finding all of the orange and green ones. Then we are going to place the orange Skittles around the paper plate just like this. If you don't have enough orange Skittles, you can make it a rainbow and use every color Skittle instead. Now when we are placing our orange Skittles around the plate, we want to leave a space for our green Skittles because the green Skittles are going to be our stem for the pumpkin. Here you can see that I am placing the green Skittles in the gap that I made. When you are done placing your Skittles around the plate, grab your cup of warm water and start pouring it down the center of the plate. You'll notice that this is where the magic starts happening. As you can see, some of the color from the Skittles is leaking out onto the water, and it's making the water green and orange. Do you know why this happens? Skittles are coated in food coloring and sugar. When you pour water over the Skittles, the colored coating dissolves and it spreads through the water. The color and sugar dissolve into the water and then diffuses through the water, making it the color of the Skittles. You can see that the colors from the Skittles are slowly moving towards the center of the plate. This is the final product of the experiment. As you can see, most of the color has run off of the Skittles and is now mixed into the water. Pretty cool, right? Great job, everyone! I hope you guys had fun doing this experiment. What did you learn? So now you can see that it's really simple to do experiments at home. All you need are very few materials, such as Skittles. So do you think that we can use a different candy and we will have the same effect on this experiment? Maybe if we tried M&Ms, do you think we will also see a rainbow color show up? I hope you guys enjoyed this activity and please join us again next week for our next STEM activity. Bye everyone!